In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create this animated outline in Premiere Pro. Now, before we get started, if the object you want to add an outline to has a background, do well to get rid of the background, or while you're in Premiere Pro, you can just mask it out for the effects to work. So right here within my timeline, I have this logo. So first of all, I'm going to duplicate it by holding down my Alt key and then click and drag it. And then with the duplicated clip selected, I'm going to head over to Effects and search for Paint Bucket. And then click and drag the effect onto the duplicated clip. And then head over to Effects Controls. Within Effects Controls, I'm going to set Color Selector to Alpha Channel and then set Stroke to Stroke. Now, when you look at the preview, I have this nice outline around my logo. Now, within Stroke Width, you can increase the size of the outline by increasing the values right there. You can also change the color of the outline right here. Now, to animate this outline, all I need to do is to head over to Effects, and then I'm going to search for Wipe. And then right here, you have this library of wipe transitions. This folder right here. Now, inside the folder, you have all these wipe transitions you can add, depending on how you want the animation to look like. For example, if I add this wipe right here, and I play this back, I get that. And if I add band doors, I get that. If I add clock wipe, I get that. Please like and subscribe.